Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen. I hope you're having a beautiful day. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Claudia and I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button so you too can be part of our family. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious Cajun loaded baked potato. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by getting our potatoes ready. And at this point, we're also going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. Okay, so now we're going to grab our potatoes. We're going to drizzle some olive oil, garlic salt, and black pepper. And we're just going to massage it on our potatoes. And of course, just make sure that your potatoes are nice and clean. Okay, so now we're going to grab our potatoes and we're going to wrap them in foil. And make sure that you use the biggest potatoes that you can find. Okay, so once the potatoes are nicely wrapped, we're going to place them on our baking sheet. And now we're going to bake them for about an hour to an hour and a half. And once our potatoes are ready, now we are ready to make our stuffing. Okay, so for our shrimp boil, we're going to grab our pan. We're going to set it on medium heat. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're just going to wait for the butter to melt. Okay, so once the butter melts, we're going to add half of a small white onion. We're going to saute our onion for about 2 minutes. After a couple minutes, we're going to add 4 sticks and a half of unsalted butter. And now we're just going to melt it. Okay, so once the butter has melted, we're going to add 2 heads of garlic, finely minced. We're going to leave it for 1 minute. Okay, after the minute, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 3 tablespoons of lemon pepper, cayenne pepper, that's going to depend on how spicy you want it. I'm adding 3 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And now we're going to squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. And to that, we're also going to add 1 cup of water. So now just mix it all together. And we're going to bring it to a simmer. Just make sure that you mix it really well. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, we're going to add 1 pound of smoked sausages. And we're going to allow them to cook for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to add 1 pound and a half of sweet corn. So just mix it. And we're also going to add 2 pounds and a half of shrimp. Of course, just make sure that it's clean. Okay, so now we're going to be cooking it for another 3 minutes. Or just until the shrimp turns into a beautiful salmon color. My mouth is so watery. Alrighty guys, so after 3 minutes, our shrimp should be fully cooked. So at this point, now we are ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, putting our baked potato together. So we're going to begin by grabbing our potato. We're going to cut it open on the top. And now we're just going to squeeze it. And I'm just going to remove the foil, but of course, if you want to keep it there, you can. And just be careful. Okay, and I'm going to top it with the infused oil. That's all the flavor there. And now we're just going to mix it. Okay, so just mix it so you can fluff your potato. I'm going to add a little bit more just to make sure that my potato is fully coated. Okay. I'm going to add some cheese. Okay, so now we're going to grab our delicious shrimp. And we're going to top it. And you add as much as you want. And I'm going to add more shrimp on my plate just so like that, you know. More. Just going to top it with some chopped chives, just so like that I can add a little color. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious Cajun loaded baked potato. Alrighty guys, and this is how I will serve it if, you know, I was trying to impress my loved one. Alrighty guys, and if you want to go a little extra, this is how I will serve it as well. But now we can get ready for the best part. And of course you want to enjoy this while it's hot. You know, let me grab my shrimpy. Where's he go? Oh, he's right there. Put in the oil. And this is something that you're not gonna eat every day, you know, once a year, once in a while, it's fine. No pasa nada, you know, so enjoy. Alright, so I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This is everything. If you're a potato lover like myself, you're going to love, love, love this one. The potato is so good. Everything's just perfect. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious Cajun loaded baked potato. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.